In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to fork a project in Replit. Forking, which Replit now calls remixing, lets you create your own editable copy of an existing project so you can experiment safely without changing the original. It's perfect for learning from templates, collaborating, or starting from a solid base instead of building from scratch. To begin, open Replit in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. Being logged in ensures your remix is saved to your account. Once you're on the homepage, head to the Projects area. This is where you'll see the projects connected to your account, making it easy to find what you want to copy. Locate the specific project you want to fork. Hover over it and look for the three dots, usually shown as a More Options menu. Click that icon to open the project actions. From the list, choose Remix. This command creates a new copy under your account. You'll keep the full codebase and structure, but it's now independent, so any changes you make won't affect the original source. Right after you click Remix, you'll be prompted to give your clone a name. Pick something descriptive so you can distinguish it later, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. A clear name helps teammates and your future self understand what this version is for. You can also add a short description. This is optional but highly recommended. A brief sentence about the purpose, changes you plan to make, or the feature you're testing can save time and provide context when you revisit the project. Next, choose its visibility. Set it to public if you want others to view or learn from your code. Choose private if you're working on something sensitive or unfinished. Remember, even in public projects, do not include secrets such as API keys directly in the code. Use environment variables and keep anything sensitive out of your repository. When everything looks good, click Remix App to finalize. On free plans, be mindful of project limits and resource caps. If you've reached your limit, you may need to clean up older projects or consider upgrading before creating a new remix. Once the remix is created, Replit will open your copy automatically. From here, you can run it, edit files, install packages, and personalize it as needed. Autosave will capture your changes, and you're free to iterate without worrying about the original project. That's all for today.